Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English Now channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, James. I had a really good morning today. How about you?
Well, my morning was a little messy. I'll tell you about it later.
Oh, no. That's actually perfect for today's topic.
Today, we're talking about something very important, taking control of your day.
Yes, we're going to learn how to escape the snooze button life.
What does snooze button mean, Emma?
Good question. The snooze button is the button on your alarm clock. When you press it, you sleep for 5 more minutes.
Ah, I know that button very well. I press it every morning.
Many people do. But today, we'll talk about how to stop doing that. We'll learn how to be the boss of your own life.
That sounds powerful, the boss of your own life.
It is. And before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, and leave a comment. We love hearing from you.
Okay, James, are you ready to learn how to fix your messy mornings?
I really need this, Emma. Let's go.
So, James, tell us about your morning today. What happened?
Well, this morning was difficult. My alarm went off at 7 a.m.
Okay, 7 a.m. That's a good time.
Yes, but I didn't get up. I pressed the snooze button.
How many times did you press it?
Maybe 5 times or 6 times?
Oh, no. So when did you finally wake up?
Around 7:45, and then I felt very rushed.
Rushed means you had to do everything very fast, right?
Exactly. I rushed to the bathroom. I rushed to get dressed. I didn't have time for breakfast.
That sounds stressful. How did you feel?
Honestly, I felt like I wasn't in control. I felt like a leaf in the wind.
A leaf in the wind. That's beautiful, James. It means you had no control. The wind decides where the leaf goes.
Yes, that's exactly how I felt. I said to myself, I want to be the boss of my life, not a leaf in the wind.
That's a great sentence. Let's say it together, everyone. Repeat after James.
I want to be the boss of my life, not a leaf in the wind.
Perfect. This is our main idea for today.
But Emma, how do I actually become the boss of my life? I want to change, but I don't know how.
That's what we'll learn today. The answer is simple. Intentional choices.
Intentional choices. What does that mean?
Intentional means you do something on purpose. You think about it first, then you do it.
So not just doing things automatically.
Exactly. Not just following what happens. You make a plan. You decide.
I like that. Give me an example.
Okay, this morning you pressed the snooze button. That wasn't intentional, right? You just did it.
True, I didn't really think about it.
But if you make an intentional choice, you think, tomorrow morning I will get up when my alarm goes off. No snooze button.
Ah, so I decide before the morning comes.
Yes, you make the choice before you're tired and sleepy.
That makes sense. I need to be intentional.
Good job, James. Let's learn the tools to help you. Okay, now I want to teach you about a very powerful tool. It's called a to-do list.
A to-do list? I've heard of that. It's a list of things you need to do, right?
Exactly. But today, we're going to make a special kind of to-do list.
What's special about this?
We only write 3 things, just 3 important tasks.
Only 3? Why not 10 or 20?
Because when we write too many things, we feel stressed. Our head feels heavy.
Heavy, like when you carry a big bag.
Yes, your mind feels like it's carrying a big, heavy bag.
I understand. So 3 tasks keep my head light.
Exactly. Your head will feel light like a bird.
Light like a bird. I love that phrase.
Let me show you. James, what are 3 important things you need to do today?
Let me think. First, I need to finish my work report.
Good. That's task number 1. Write it down.
Okay. Finish work report. What's next?
You tell me. What's important for you today?
I need to call my mother. I haven't talked to her this week.
That's beautiful, James. Family is important. So task number 2, call mom.
Yes, and number 3, I want to exercise for 20 minutes.
Perfect. So your 3 tasks are finish work report, call mom, exercise for 20 minutes.
That's it? Just 3 things?
Just 3 important things. Not buy milk or check email. We're talking about important tasks.
What's the difference?
Important means it matters for your life, your goals, your relationships. Urgent just means it needs to happen soon.
Ah, so calling my mother is important. Checking email is just urgent.
Exactly. You're learning fast. Good job.
Thanks. But Emma, when do I write this list?
Great question. You write it the night before or first thing in the morning.
The night before is better, right? Because that's intentional?
Yes, you're getting it. You make the choice before the day starts.
And then what? I just do the 3 things?
You do the 3 things first, before email, before social media, before anything else.
That sounds hard.
It's hard at first, but after 1 week, it becomes easier. After 1 month, it becomes natural.
And how will I feel?
You'll feel like the boss of your life, not like a leaf in the wind.
I want that feeling.
Now, let's make this very practical. I want everyone listening to do this with us.
Okay, what should we do?
Right now, let's practice. Everyone, get a piece of paper and a pen.
I have mine ready.
Good. Now, think about tomorrow. What are 3 important things you want to do tomorrow?
I'm thinking.
Take your time. Remember, these are important tasks, not just busy tasks.
Okay, I've got mine. You want to hear them?
Yes, share with everyone.
Tomorrow, my 3 tasks are start work at 9 a.m. without checking my phone first, prepare a healthy lunch, read for 30 minutes before bed.
Excellent choices, James. I noticed something. These are all intentional choices.
Yes, I'm not just reacting to the day, I'm planning the day.
Exactly. You're being the boss. Now, everyone listening, write your 3 tasks. We'll wait for you.
Take a moment, think about what's important for you.
Do you have your 3 tasks? Great. Now, put the paper somewhere you'll see it tomorrow morning, next to your bed, on your bathroom mirror, or on your coffee cup.
Why there?
Because in the morning, your brain is sleepy. You forget your plans. But if you see the paper, you remember.
Ah, so the paper helps me stay intentional.
Yes, it's like a little friend reminding you, hey, you're the boss today.
I like that. It's simple but powerful.
The best tools are always simple. You don't need expensive apps or complicated systems.
Just a paper and a pen?
Just a paper and a pen, and the decision to take control.
What if I don't finish all 3 tasks?
That's okay. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional.
So even if I only do 1 task, that's progress.
Yes, 1 intentional task is better than 10 automatic tasks.
That takes the pressure off. I like it.
Good. We want you to succeed, not to feel stressed.
Wow, Emma, I feel different already. Just talking about this makes me feel more in control.
That's wonderful, James. Let's recap what we learned today.
Okay, first we talked about the snooze button life.
Yes, that's when you just react to life. You're not in control. You're like a leaf in the wind.
Then we learned about intentional choices.
Right. Intentional means you think first, then you do. You make decisions on purpose.
And the main tool is a to-do list with 3 important tasks.
Exactly. Not 10 tasks, not 20, just 3 important ones.
And we write this list the night before, so we're ready for the morning.
Perfect. And we put the list where we can see it, so we remember our plan.
This makes your head feel light like a bird instead of heavy and stressed.
Beautiful summary, James. You're a great student.
Thanks. I'm excited to try this tomorrow.
Me too. And everyone listening, we want to hear from you.
Yes, here's our engagement question for today.
What is one thing you will do to take control of your life today?
Just one thing. It can be small. Maybe you'll write your 3 tasks. Maybe you'll wake up without the snooze button.
Or maybe you'll eat a healthy breakfast instead of rushing out the door.
Whatever it is, share it in the comments. We want to know.
And here's a fun question, too. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you check your phone, make coffee, exercise?
Tell us in the comments. We love learning about your morning routines.
And remember, everyone, you are the boss of your life.
Not a leaf in the wind.
You can make intentional choices.
Starting tomorrow morning. Starting today.
Thank you so much for listening. We appreciate you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this message.
Next week, we'll talk about how to stay motivated when life gets difficult.
Until then, make good choices. Be intentional.
And escape the snooze button life.
Emma and James, bye everyone. Have a wonderful day.